नमस्कार एवरीवन, गुड इवनिंग, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड आफ्टरनून, जब भी आप इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं। और आज की वीडियो में मैं एक्सप्लेन करने वाला हूँ पिछले 2 दिनों में जो हमने लाइव डांस क्लासेस में सीखा है ऑनलाइन। सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन द स्टेप बाय स्टेप एंड देन आई एम गोइंग टू डू द कंप्लीट रूटीन। सो अगर आपने मिस किया है या अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आया तो आप इसको देख के और समझ सकते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट एंड लेट्स रिकॉर्ड ऑल द स्टेप्स on the counts and then we will go with the music. All right, so the very first step we have done is to jhumo. There is a slide. 5 6 7 go. To jhumo, to nacho. Then again it's repeated. To jhumo, to nacho. Ab mere saath nacho, gao. So this is a hand wave going to this gao. Here you come and then it goes with the music, right? So from here the music start and it goes like 1, you hit your waist out, and then again it goes 2, then again it goes 1, then again it goes 2, 4 times. And after this it is 1 2 3 4. It'll just go with the hands 1 2 down, and here you go with the hit to sharp pose. Right, so once again just watch it clearly. It is like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Once again the same music comes, so then you will be doing same thing, repeat 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, and the second time you're going to do this clap clap. So till here. After that the title steps comes. So the title steps are, here you finished, then you need to start like twist, 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 side, side, legs के साथ 1 2 clap. So what's this leg movement? This is simple, tuck tuck boom, tuck tuck boom. Exactly. So once again it goes like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Exactly. So this much we have done, and इसके बाद we will go ahead. So इसके बाद के जो steps हैं वो हैं, okay, so till here let's revise with the music once and then we'll go ahead. Okay, that's cool.
Disco, 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 disco. Don't you move, don't nacho, don't you move, don't nacho. Hamere saath nacho, gao. Oh, I am a disco dancer. I am a disco dancer.
Okay, hello everyone. So this is the second explainer video of the routine Mana Dil. So here I'm going to explain the step by step, one step. So in case you miss something, you can just understand it. So let's go. Once we'll go with the counting and then we'll go with the music once. So I'm using this mic, so just excuse me if I'm not able to do the proper movements in the routine. You can see that. So the first movement you start is you need to stand like this, and then your hand is going up. Just go to drop, and slowly you will roll up yourself, and then it'll go with the feel. It'll go to this out. So length, use the length of yourself, and this will go very slowly. From here you need to go for a routine with extended leg, right? So from here you'll go with the pirouette with extended leg, right? At the moment you finish this, you need to go to this pose. So just hit yourself and keep yourself on the toe. So from here, the moment you land, after pirouette, you'll go with the, here, this, Cupid, and then you will come back to this. You will go bend yourself, and you'll go with this movement using your back. So make sure you're not doing this. You're going like this movement using your back, and then from here, you will just go to here. So it'll come 1 hit, 2 hit, 3 hit, and 4. So you finish here, and after this, it'll go hit yourself 1. Second hit will come with the leg, so you'll come in this preparation position, and then from here you just need to use the fan kick. So after this posture you'll just go this, and then it'll go for a kick. So make sure your kick is going really high. You'll go just to this very slowly. This is the pose, and from here again 1.5 pirouette come. So your left leg will go straight, so one turn and you'll drop here. After this it'll go like 1 and come back, 2, 3 and 4, and then cross, 5 and it'll go a side kick with opening the hands. So after cross, this is a side kick to this position you come. Yeah. All right, so let's see this on the music. Let's try with the music. Okay, let's try.
रूठे रूठे से सवेरे जागे जागे हैं अंधेरे, रूठे रूठे से सवेरे जागे जागे हैं अंधेरे, लहरों को किनारे मिल जाएंगे सारे, पास है जो लगता है दूर, के माना दिलदा ही मेरा है कसूर, ऐसे कोई भी ना होवे मजबूर।